know, send off in this represent to the fullest. Yo, pretty girl star, you know the thing, girl. No, Sarah. Yeah. Your body don't easy, girl. Yo, pretty girl star. You not come easy, but me there, yeah, baby. You know, say you never cheat, but then every man you give, no. You know, say you wanna free. Pretty girl star, girl, your pussy are free.
The two blood clot, wicked Erica. Erica, you know blood clot, innocent. Stop bumbo pussy blood clot. Go on like you're innocent. And you know do no and you're God send. And you're Holy Mary. And you know do no wickedness. You're wicked. You're wicked. You know what you're doing, Erica. And you make this blood clotting reach IG, Erica. Probably me alone. Me that did walk away. I was gonna walk away. Now at the end of the day, you guys is my brother. And yeah, Teeny, me willing it, but Teeny, I was gonna walk away and take all of the this. All of the this from cause me know puss they gonna get her there. I know. But Erica never wanted to happen that way there. Erica didn't want to bring down. Erica the want it for happen. Oh, she put it for blood
You
clot
hear me,
happen.
Tanya? Tanya, can you hear me?
Yeah, Auntie, me I hear you.
Listen to this. Everything I come out today Friday, yeah? Because you know, why when we reach 53 years old, I'm going to say this old woman, golden girl for IG. Tanya, remember me never know Berry. You don't take, if you keep saying that. Remember me never know
Yeah.
Fred them. If you keep saying that. Me know
Yeah.
train. Come go to the Bronx up on my childhood friend. I'm going to train one time and I see I'm the part now, right there for a reach now. You understand? Why you never put in train in it? When push for call train, come remember you never know train. And
Never
push
know
for call
train.
train and tell Erica
The
and
only
say,
know her as
train.
the lobster woman pussy. She a
Yeah,
lobster, she don't actually
yeah.
stay bad and
So
brand
train at this
eater.
time now, remember me and Berry and you up on the live and I'm up on the chat with Erica, right? Therefore, Berry coming before she said she Berry the money. And when we up on the chat with Erica, who started to play what Erica who started to play with Kingston about Erica after the fuck. When Erica say Kingston fuck the boy, Erica get mad. That's why you reach now. And called Berry, push go for Chin, and Chin started to class up Erica over fear
Yeah.
part and a play. Take it from this one now. Remember Chin come for class, Erica, you know. I'm here same time. I'm say, hold on, them, me know Chin. Make me call her. I'm going to say, boom, I'm going to call Chin. When I call Chin, Erica tell Chin one will for something. We pussy, we hungry Chin, and Erica and puss. No. Chin say where the blood clot is I go, I'm going to press my life and bring down the big dirty post. Remember, see I saw Chin coming at it, you know. You
Yeah.
understand? Because puss go for Chin and put Chin did a mud up Erica over post. You understand? And me call Chin. You understand? Because Barry they go rub out Chin because Barry never know Chin. Barry where you
You
there.
know,
Any
sister.
part of it a lie, Barry you say a lie. Because remember we are here no friend when I look no take up for today, yeah. Call in. Call him, I call at 12 o'clock and they go outside go do report with me.
Yes.
Yeah. Remember say no. Barry say
All
when the
right.
blood clot that have gone over there, so left a space for blood clot. Barry that's the Barry want come in. Him come talk. Yeah. So when we hear now, China this up Erica from Puss Life, I say, well, they make me call out Erica. Baby said, I'm going to rub out her blood clot. What's your name? And by the time Barry go rub her out, I said, no, Barry, you understand, let me call her because I meet her already. When I call her and Erica started to tell Chin the things that we Puss, and she talk about Chin turn it on and say, again, bring down her blood clot. And so comes Chin, come on our side now and turn against Puss, right?
I said, push the airport away buying our teeth, them drop out.
We are not calling, we are now, you know, reaching that each, you know, your partner step in yet, you know. And you come back and you step in, but you know, really nice fully yet. So Chin goes up, move on now and make a 360 turn. Tanya, any part that's wrong, you know, come up and talk to wrong.
Get up on the right track,
She make
auntie.
a 360 turn and come over our side now. And Barry say, how the blood clot did they go do? Class Erica, she said, no, listen to it. Let me tell you how it go. When you Barry. Me hear Puss say, and she started to explain to Barry. And Barry say, here where you do turn on your blood clot like a come over your toe. Come class up blood clot Puss. That I Barry never know such a money machine. Barry just tell her where he want her to do. Same time she turn on her page and started to rub down great blood clot, silverback blood clot Puss. Yeah. Alright, when she start to rub down great back silverback Puss, so I can make a 360 now. I say, Barry, go walk up here, yo. Rub out Puss. Barry said, how much you gonna give me? And she said $300. Them time they know, Fred them step in, not on the live, behind the light scene. Fred them come in and say to you, say, Tanya, I open a blood clot premise Barry no money, you know, cause you know how Barry stay. Tanya said, me not premise him, that's how Fred them come in, cause I never know her. So Tanya said,
mama.
Me not promise no Barry no money at Erica said she gonna give him $300. When Erica said she gonna give him $300 now, come Tanya, play it now, take it from this off. Me I listen now. That do me
Mama play when Barry get mad.
no,
I say
after
my
Barry trace Kingston, I want him money.
I want him money. Erica, I go around Barry. And Barry said, I'm gonna press him live and bring down Erica and me
said,
and
no,
Dana.
because she was my best friend. I said,
Yeah.
oh, God, what with it now?
That time they know she switched on me, you know, because she upset with me from the day,
You want to
she want to cuss Kingston and I tell her, I'm not cuss Kingston.
Carlin Parker coming now. So play
And
very
tell the man,
then Carlin
tell the man them
Parker.
now. See the Carleen, yeah, where she go for figure to Carleen kill
Leave
Puss.
Carlin alone. Talk what happened. Carlin not reach United.
Anyway,
They want him money and that's what we reach.
she upset with me and the Friday when me and Erica kicked off, people, me tell you no. It was a quiet Friday. And Brassy tell me say Puss never have no money because she didn't move and she never have a Brassy say she buy Puss the £20 credit. So nobody never see Puss. So boom now. Me said to Erica, say Erica, cause I meet it already, I say no. Erica, this have to stop, you know. And this is where Puss live by, you know. And me now go get up on a course with Puss every day, you know. I'm a pregnant and I go have my baby, you know. Right? So me I go back down and go about my ways, go have my baby, you know. Make Puss go and rub ash wine, you know. That me say, you know. Erica never like that. So the Friday now it was quiet. Puss never come out for about 2 weeks. Nobody no hear nothing about the man Puss. But no. Erica go so now, boom now. Me say to Erica, I say, Erica, never hold one look quick. Erica say, alright. Lay down and by the next 10 minutes, I see my phone and go off mad. Erica said, very focused, my friend baby Lee. When we got some boom now in a my group, the SWAT group, me see the girls them and say, I want go and write area court baby blah blah blah. We got some boom now and chip people on the live and when we go me see Erica laugh for me I say, yeah man. And she see me come and she pop type. We go back here the group, I'm a call Erica, I'm a call Berry. I'm say Berry, why you have called my friend baby? Berry say, share your friend. I bury the light. Nobody when I show them face, you know. You irritate very spirit when you hide
True.
behind the camera, you know.
Yeah.
Me not know that girl when me tell you what Mr. Berry. Little girl don't want to show her ugly, you know. True me, you know, I tell her, oh, and that's why pussy. Your man fuck up with them. So me turn to her and say, but Erica pussy Kingston fuck Tyler, so what you say? She first said to me, you know,
True
but
thing.
glad the girl
Yes,
don't
sir.
start screaming. I turn to Erica, I say, Erica, you see before me and you go down that way there, I walk away and leave you. That me say to Erica, you know. That me say to Erica and come out of the chat. Dan
Then
call, Dan call me. Cause she say I want to go out with you
she
and
call me
Erica
now.
brother.
Let me talk my part. Cause any part
Yeah.
like a lie, see if it tells you a lie, me a tell. Cause me is a Sagittarius woman, and I don't want to tell no lie for nobody. You understand? You can't eat me, you can't beat me. A blood clot, I said, no, I prison like one. I said, me nice, good blood clot, clean friends, calling savage, big up yourself. Life is a must freedom. You want to come out one day. So Erica called me and said to me, so she don't want me to talk to Tanya anymore. So me say, why? And she said, Tanya, wicked. Tanya, one when you SWAT team. With SWAT team, our friend, you Fred them and she are wicked. Then bring down people how much time on IG. I say, Erica, that not have nothing to do with me. You understand what's wrong with you and Tanya? Then she explained what Tanya just said a while ago. So the two of them, they on the live. And Tanya first said, you understand, our post said Kingston fuck out our son. I called Tanya, I said, Tanya, why would you say something like that? You understand? And Tanya said, no, hold on, my auntie. Let me call Berry.
Berry,
When,
yeah.
when she called Berry, and the title line up said, no, auntie down a
Get
line
up
up,
on the
friend
right
a line
track,
up.
get up on the right
She
track,
said,
auntie.
and she said, she never tried to explain her. She said, make sure call Berry. So when she called Berry, Berry said, Erica fi move in blood clot and go away. Erica first tell the girl so. Erica na no right for tell the girl. The same thing them we pussy. Cause I win, I want blood clot group. So I say, okay. You understand? So I say, okay. So I then listen to what Tanya have to say. We should just explain what caused the problem. Then I call back Erica again. I say, Erica, Berry says you.
With Berry,
Yeah,
with
with
Berry, I
Berry.
tell me say, you will Berry I go call Erica
Yeah,
and
I will call her.
you know, egg
And
me
Berry
up.
said, Erica, me not tell no lie, you first tell Tanya so. Them time they no money, no money, and pass up. So I no lie my tell forget money. Him never that tell a lie. Him say, are you first tell the girl so Erica. And you should know did say so Erica that was wrong. She take time and she take time and she say, me foot, hurt me, and me just take the pill them, me I go sleep. So Berry's gone, she's gone now, and me and Berry go back to Tanya. And I said to Tanya, I said, Tanya, this is it. Because Tanya started to swear upon God. She don't ever speak back to Erica again. And thing
Mm-hmm.
and thing and thing. So I say, all right, Tanya, this is it. Remember, Erica, my friend, you know, Tanya. Me no know Tanya, Erica make me know Tanya. So I say, all
Yep.
right, this is it, Tanya. Me not take no side, you understand? Because the two are no wrong with the one another. You say she first, she say you first. So here all it go. When we're talking at the group, if Erica come on, you don't have to talk to her. And I'm going to tell Erica the same thing too. Right? So me and Tanya in the car right there. The sub car member say, is Erica my friend, not Tanya?
Mm-hmm. Not me.
In the night when Erica wake up,
Yes,
call
Baba.
me. You understand? And she say, listen, we don't want no more friend from Tanya. I said, no, you can't tell me that. You and she don't talk, don't have anything to do with me. You understand? Because both of you wrong with your one another. So why you gonna tell me no, don't talk to her?
She'll come, she'll come.
No, so she vexed and she hang up. All right, me and Tanya end up now back with Barry. Cause Barry at the village, you know. You understand? And Barry said, listen,
Wow, mother call you.
go away. And the argument done. If you no want to chat to Tanya, me talk like Barry. If you no want to talk to Tanya, make him move in blood clot and going to pay me my money. Can I make me cost Kingston? Say Kingston fuck out in the boy but the wall. So right you know I'm in money me want. Cause Erica ready for done. Very ready for done with Erica now, you know. So him started to program the promise which she promised him to cost Kingston. All right, go on, Tanya. Colin, your part soon coming now, you know, for Tanya.
Yeah, so Berry say I bring down Erica. And me and Dad come say, Berry, it don't look good. The wall away, they together. Don't cause Erica, even though I say me not talk to her, you know. Me I tell Berry say, him not for cuss her. You understand? Right? And Berry say me can't tell him nothing because his mother, Kingston say him gonna kill his mother and all the thing them. Right? Cause me I say, oh, Erica says she not no PayPal. Erica make Dan go download PayPal, you know. And Erica make me download Cash App, cause me hear about Cash App, but because me no have nobody who me I send money to, me not interested in them something there, you understand? Because me don't have nobody for them things, so me not really care. But through Erica, make me go do them something there, I make Dan go do. Anyway, Berry said no care. Me and Dana try to talk down Berry. One day now, she got what she do now, we know. When we in at the talk, because she are the one where met the group. When we all in at the talk, she come in. People listen to me, you know. Me no root to her. She talk. Me no talk to her, but the whole of we in at the chat same way. I talk. Bam now. Yeah. One day when I talk, she never come in.
Stop in, Tanya. Play with
Yeah.
Berry have now before you go to the next part.
No, this is before Berry start, cause I have to talk about it. When she lock down the group.
Oh, yes.
She said boom.
Yeah.
Yes, she said boom. What are we? Me, Fred them, Twiggy, Berry. One guy when him. No, Berry I lie. Berry never because Fred them not like Berry. I lie never depend it. Paul. No, Chin never there in there. Chin never there in the talk neither. Chin there. Remember say two. Remember say no she have a next group in a Auntie Dan. When me, you, Chin, Berry in a Auntie group. That's always put our cousin. And then the other big group. Me, Twiggy, Paul, Fred them. Yeah, in the group attack. She left a long essay in the group, say she gonna focus on her foot and come to an end. Blah, remember, you know, we not the group, we not even a talk about pussy, you know. We end up the whole of we like each other. Every day, we link up in our group and laugh and talk. She stopped up on the talk, but she don't come. She don't join me. Can just press the green something and come in the group. The group talk. She said she don't come in there. Well, she said, okay, this war has come to an end. Everybody can go them separate way. She go close down the group. Me right and say, Erica, why you want to close down the group? If you don't want to talk in the group, you don't have to talk. You know, sick head, you know, she thinks that because she make the group and she make everybody link up together. When she lock down the group, everybody gonna go them separate ways. But now, Fred them say, Erica, stop it, man. By the time Fred them say, so when me look, me sister me gone, me come out of the group, she take me out. So boom, Fred them go, so boom, I make a group right away. Me
money you the left group, I mean money me want. All right, take it from this and now.
anyway,
Yeah.
She said, cause what she do, you know, the time that she done contact Chin, you know.
Yeah.
And I tell Chin, say, me a wicked, me a this, and me a that, and me a that. So, boom, now, when she take me out of the group, down the day there, down the big say, I work, so me never hear me there call down, and I couldn't get down. And boom, now, we make back a group, and we not the group, cause she thinks say when she lock down the group, everybody are gonna go back, go them weird, right? No. Everybody didn't like them one another. So we make back a group. The guy when he and Paul in the group, she start corrupt Paul cause she bring Paul in the group. You understand? Paul now start cuss me now, you know. Him start cuss me and him come out of the group and fret them neck. But a week after that, she start build fake page and rub me. But here Erica idiot. Things that me and her talk like, you know, one day me and her talk and we talk about sex and, you know, me I say, yeah, I'm be a father, you
Tanya,
know.
still gone too far. We still
No,
can bury.
me I
Yeah,
say,
when Barry want him money.
me I talk about the group locking down and then
I
bury
talk to her
first
about this
life.
one.
Then she say, when she the day now, she write up, where you love fuck, you fuck too much. I'm say, me love fuck, but your tongue is a bunty blood clot toilet paper with white man body. So she know me know, sir. She knew Mary was there on the live the night.
Yeah.
You know it was she too. Boom, you end the live same time. Can you pick it up? She goes so now, me go so boom now and call Chin, cause me never hear from Chin about 2 weeks. Chin said to me, say, Tanya, I gotta be honest with you, you know, Erica linked me. This is when she locked on the group and everything, you know. Erica linked me, and Erica, Chin used to vice me every day and say, alright, the baby, alright, cause she say, the baby, I'm a god baby, you know. And that Chin always say, right? She said, Tanya, you notice me not saying nothing, I miss. Chin, me gonna be honest with you, you know. Me never did I really watch it, cause me know you have your pitney them, and me know you're a road girl, so me not watch that. She said, Erica contact me. And Erica tell me, say, me not to talk to you, you're wicked and you're this. Me said, Chin, you know, say Erica just come pan down and bury life. And I rub me in a fake page. She say, oh, you know, say Erica. I say, Chin, me know Erica cause she write something when me and her sit down and discuss. Chin say, no, man, that not for go on same time. Chin say, me go put her up on the call. I said, don't put her up on the call. Chin say, me go put her up on the call. Cause this not for go on the whole way there. And me, I said, Chin, if me and Erica not talk, why Erica come and look problem with me? Erica up in her feeling because Erica the one. That not for talk to me. She couldn't tell Barry not for talk to me because she and Barry never talk. Barry want him money. Barry a mother, scrubber, rubber, and me and Dana try tell Barry not for carry it in a public. You understand? Bam now, Chin put her up on the call. What? Train. I want to go on your son. So Chin I say, Erica Tanya say they on fake page, I rub her. Me don't want a blood clot, girl. Me say, Erica, move your nasty blood clot, toilet paper, bumbo clot, tongue. Kingston say when him shit you use him tongue and she reel up on me, reel up back pan her. She hang up.
She hang up and go call in.
Yeah.
She go call in.
Things say I want go on tea and me I say, Chin, me no know. Chin and Erica, me I tell Chin what go. Me say, Eric, me say, Chin. And Erica start cuss me, you know, cause Erica want me to cuss her man, you know, Kingston, you know. And she me refuse to cuss Kingston. She said she war for me, and me I go like me no want come cuss. Oh, me for cuss the man and degrade the blood clot man to the man a fuck pitney. Me not do them bumbo clot shit there. So I found out Barry get mad. Me call Barry and me I take Barry say me gonna rub out her blood clot. And me want me money. Ray. So I see I saw now, very start. Me play it. Me play
Yeah, so
it.
come so Barry started to get mad because Barry say, the one for cause.
On the phone. When you
We
listen,
live in a United States of America. When we are bringing blood clot push border from the eye, right? There's a little something going on between you and Tanya. We discussed it finally in our group together, and we asked it to be finished. It was supposed to be finished. It was not supposed to go out at a group with me and she and you. You understand? And Tanya. How come both of all of these fucking things that Pussa said this and Pussa said that? Me not like it. Tell what hurt me most of all. It's wrong, you know, you can't say me wrong. I'm be there my job. I'm be there my job.
That time the berry did good.
On the left side.
Yeah.
Buddha, listen to what Buddha has to say. When we hear to say, listen to what Buddha has to say, me say, when the blood clot, you go with Buddha. When the bomber clot, you go with Buddha, and Buddha is a team blood clot. Oh. Me don't want to hear nothing from Buddha. Me don't want to hear what happened last year, the year before I went dead. Me don't want to hear nothing from Buddha, and that was it. Me and she personally don't have nothing. One of me don't want to hear nothing from Buddha. Next thing my blood clot, no me hear push attack, all kind of things out of blood clot mouth.
Yes, you did good them time they bury you the funny live, yeah? You did good them time there.
Well, me not tell no lie below.
You don't understand. You don't fucking understand. You understand? Don't tell me so nobody did a rub for me come about now under my pussy.
Who says somebody rub for you?
Like them I say, let me see if I catch it right. Erica did a rub for you all the way. Okay, I'm sorry, me never right.
Big up yourself, Sharon Stone.
Everybody rub for you, but everybody rub and rub. We have a team.
No,
everybody rub and rub.
Barry, the reason why I should say that is, you know, remember, I know, Puss called me, you know, off the line and said to me, Don, me and you don't have anything. No care how you hear me, I rub out Erica and Tanya. Don't come in and eat because me and you don't have anything.
Yes.
The Sunday to make run for big ball, dirty blood clot, ugly man, cross up, bumbo clot, mask up. You understand? Erica called my attention to it, Mr. Erica, don't worry yourself, because I do that first on Sundays. You understand?
Yeah.
The next day, which is Monday, I'm going to move my truck across the street. When I move across the street, me hear Rasco, Bumbo Clot, Dirty Catco. Big Clot, Rusty. Big Balls Crusty with a bed bug underneath a Bumbo Clot. I broke some blood clot. Dog is hiding. I don't know your mama blood clot. You know, for my original blood clot brown in Crosco. At that time, you know, me no blood clot called Erica. Me no blood clot called Tanya. We just turn on the blood clot phone in my car and get blood clot crazy. When we get blood clot crazy,
you know when Erica get blood clot, mad.
I don't use Crosco blood clot.
And when she called me, I saw Tanya call it anti-blood.
Yes, Auntie
Erica go call Dan anti-blood clot. Dan, she called me. Me don't know Dan as the anti-Dan. Me don't call Dan the anti-Dan. Me know Dan as gangster. Dan, me say, Erica, call her where you want, call her. She go answer. Me say, Tanya just use the word anti as a form of respect.
Exactly.
Yeah, we're when people older than you just call them auntie, just a phrase. A gangster down, me know her, I say call her anything she got answer. I couldn't believe you upset over the word auntie. How we don't know Tanya from down, make Tanya come call her auntie.
Alright, no finish plate.
Finish plate now, Tanya.
I'm coming on the house. Erica send me a vice note. The pussy send me 2 blood clot. No, I said pussy send me blood clot. No, and pussy take me. No, for blood clot, rubber. So I got a boom on the press blood clot. Pussy live. So pussy requested me. 1 the press request, no answer. 2 the press again, add me, no answer. 3 me here, somebody said, posting up the down, one come for your life. Puss then turned and said, Dan, I can't add you upon my life. Because if I add you upon my life, my team push them. I go vex with me.
I don't want that. I say, oh, you mean? I say, okay, over my life. And I saw my blood clot go over my life. I start rub out puss and blood clot cross coffee Erica.
Yes.
I
Yes.
don't expect Erica to go behind my back. And if I put your blood clot end up in the blood clot hospital. Because they took my blood clot report. You understand? I'm a foot blood clot tie up in the ear like blood clot chicken when you chop up the blood clot head. But I expect Erica to go to blood clot good up. And I talk about that you would apologize. Apologize to blast the blood clot, go to all blood clot. Post for one. We bring her down with her down with blood clot. Stop her up. Oh, you forgot to say, if she never so wicked, and you know such a blood clot wicked.
One me already, and I say Erica not good, you know. Erica not good. Watch it with Erica. Juan been a tell with that.
You can't blood clot apologize to dead post.
When I life does me love you, but my life will bring down Erica. I mean, nobody think about my mother and get where you're crazy.
Very Mr. Nobody with traps in it.
No, you can't get to go suck with mother. Man, no, you can't do that. No, that, no. I gotta come to blood clot. Me never done Erica today. Tomorrow, I'll be here for the class of Erica blood clot. No, you can't do that.
We shut up, Barry.
I wish you that talk. I wish you that talk. Now you're not friends. I wish you that talk. I wish you that talk.
You believe that we Erica to go suck with mother?
Don't matter when they call on our phone, but mix up because they go come, and she tell her what say. No call me done with it, me done with put that when they kill this and this and that. And that's how we have about the woman say. I say, well, if you go suck out with mother blood clot. Like any of the
that. And that means that Nicky father, that's what they want to see. Burn up this blood clot.
Which body life say what that she say? I'm not about this somebody blood clot. I'm gonna tell life and give me listen about me 2 years them.
Listen.
Hey. Let's have the very
we don't understand we shut up. A team put them shut up.
That's not team put, but that's cool.
Let's have the very good.
I don't know. She of course she call post name. Why should I say what are the team puts our post got stuck on man? Why should I part post leave me alone? I only when I call my phone to come custom me tell her say me done with it. Me done with it. We don't have people this and that. Go stuck out to my blood clot. I wish she the blood clot because we are posting hot water. Me not eat that. Yeah,
never why if a cosa cash was my
it burned me down, it burned me coming at the bed, you know, go to that Erica coming to the blood clot, you know. I'm gonna kick up blood clot, see if she's make up for go cause Erica, you know, and you go contact with go suck with mother, you know, you make a fuck up move, and the company for come go and say I'm sorry for you.
Let me see she coming in.
She am very good more than we. She am very good talk on them phone. Reason, only for reasoning. Our birthday.
I'm gonna think I wish that you forgot to talk with madam.
Because I never want to bad too bad. Me must say she my friend. Me no know Tanya. Yeah. Hurry up, go now. Tanya, better go now at this moment.
Wait, but I run.
I don't understand this. I really don't understand this. I'm trying to get her on. I'm trying to get her on.
Tell me say she has sent $400. I must carry down eat. I tell her
you're wicked. My life is very fruitful, dog.
Your blood clot empty.
Just make this thing go to rest. It's a new year, dog. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, let me tell you this. Calm down, coming out, cause you know. Me would have never be the one for curse you and me have to stick to my guns. Because likewise, dog. Likewise, dog. Likewise. You push that. Me don't care when I me not the push that sex. And me never stop road post. And that's never what the dog. And that's your prerogative, Don. If you don't want to stop, you're your own human being, you're an
No,
adult.
she had tried to
But
stop
I'm
it
saying,
today.
I
That's trying
call
to
my
put up
name,
on it, Erica, for stop it today.
Robin, and you within yourself said, you understand? I'm not shouting, so you know, say some is when you attack. I'm not shouting, so don't get it twisted like I'm shouting. Because that is the last thing me as a YouTube for stuff, I would them want them to down and Erica did that first. No, it's not that. Thank you very much. But Dan, here we go on now. Me and you can talk after here with this. You asked me a question and I don't tell you. My argument was towards Puss and the lie, what is telling on my name, that I went to the lady and apologized, and that didn't happen for my son and for everything. Whatever they want to drop in the media, that's up to them. Me and you will talk,
No,
Dan. I'm a
no,
grown woman.
Erica,
I
no
don't need
behind
to
the scene
ever
talk.
justify
No,
nothing.
no.
No,
You and
I don't
Dan
support
cannot
nothing.
talk
I
behind
cannot know this and that. Me and you're good and I
everything
just like
edit
that.
and done.
Anybody who want to run with story and run with that, that's very competitive. Okay, Don. Have a good day, Don. Call me after
Nothing
here.
off the
God
ear
bless
with you,
you.
my girl. You're crazy in half of the ear thing and they are so with you.
Come back if you want.
No.
Come back. I
It's
hear.
half the
This
ear
hour me
thing.
have
It's
to
half
worry.
the
You
ear thing.
understand?
Hell
Straight up.
no.
You understand? You
Spit
know
out the
what
truth. You can
I
half
mean,
the ear.
you got to on the great North Class one. Me, I would have said the same thing about Barry. Me would have said the same thing about Tanya. Me would have said the same thing about Sadie. Me and none of my team them when I tear on the great blood clot one.
Never.
That have an art, yo.
Never they go cross them like
Yeah.
that.
You know what I'm vex? I'm not afraid to tell nobody why I'm vex. She should never turn to blood clot put up.
Yeah.
You can half the ear talking now.
I need to warm them down.
Them baga
Well, wait for
disrespect
Barry
they
to
go
come
on.
in.
Pray for
When
coming.
she
Hold
could have
on.
tell you
Hold on.
half the ear when you never like go come tell you back. So it don't make no sense.
I don't know, me not talking to some people inbox me and a class something, you know.
I'm afraid of class up. Class up. Class
So
up
long
them
for
clock
coming in. I
blood clot
happened,
back.
Barry.
I want you. Clock back at any blood clot class up. But when she go come try for question I want to talk to you. Half the blood clot ear. And what she could have tell you
Yeah,
half the
honest,
ear
I save it.
to come tell we back.
I talk truth Friday because Erica come out with her mouth full of lie and wickedness.
Erica, the end of
Erica,
the
you
year
know what
you
you
start
do.
the fuckery.
There we know. Where come now?
Erica,
Them the Tanya.
Erica get the
It a
platform
come,
to
man, it a
explain
come.
herself and
Erica,
done this now.
Oh, Carl.
honestly.
You know what I'm going to do? Man, how many people watch the live over Erica? How many got tag? How many now cause and tag me the tag? I said I've been ready to cause me about cause. Because you see me in the run joke, I'm going to play two-sided. You understand? I'm business not going to talk about very trumpy. I'm going to work with hypocrite people, P. Radley. I'm a hypocrite, you're a blood clot hypocrite for me. And who don't want to let me, and who want to say, I don't give a mama blood clot, because not only have to feed me and blood clot, clothes and shelter blood clot me. You understand? There's people we are calling me now who watch the live. I know, say me not telling no lie. She don't call it a we should have talk, listen to a conversation. She go come and talk about down on this. Erica, move your big back, dirty blood clot. I want to nasty pussy Erica. I want Erica blood clot here about. All dribbling back down, twins and blood clot. Well, done what Erica.
Leave him, Dan, leave
nasty
him,
Erica. And you come up with blood clot, and I'm going to come with your blood clot mixed up. And you're going to stop your blood clot, man. I'm going to stop back for your blood clot, don't you want, mama? I'm going to take you big pussy, Erica. Let this blood clotting for. When I'm in a class, yo, my blood clot was your ex-man. Yes, Erica. A serious blood clotting. Get the most now. I mean, the blood clot stuff. You come to me people that say, when I'm blood, come to me blood clot lie. Because when I'm mad. You come to me people that say, when I'm blood clot, paper, me just gun hole blood clot, long time, the river bottom blood clot. Straight hole, Erica, you're going to bring down your blood clot. You're too out of order. None of what blood clot, Erica. Press your life, pussy, and me up a blood clot, nothing. You're a hypocrite, dirty one, Erica. When a man a cuss out your blood clot, you call me. So you go purific your blood clot, man. When you get someone a blood clot, when you start.
What?
It.
Them time they
Clock.
buried it
You go
good.
out.
And she first start the payment thing, you know. And she first start out promise a pay.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah.
That Tanya could have cuss.
No question, I can't tell you so. This Pamela, we can't tell you so, because you forget art. Go to ask the old Erica. Erica, your blessing come eat up my pussy. Erica, your blessing come rubber juice in my blood clot. Well, Erica, I show you your foot brush the blood clot, Erica, you're wicked. I show you your foot brush, Erica, I show your blood clot.
I know
Pass.
it was a Friday.
And
You know
she
what she
start
do?
calling the band around for two, though, you know. And she,
Yeah, there.
She.
I know she get the
We
tax
had
off to come
people, me I
explain
go for the
herself.
next one.
She a talk about suck
Erica,
out
the one
mother.
that caused this.
Erica start
And that's
going
how we bury here. She saying I go suck out to no mama.
Erica going
Bank right now, we take out the money. I'm going to a hotel in a jacuzzi with a bottle of champagne and some rose petal and guam pad.
Nothing wrong with that. Anybody can do that.
Proud of people like and
Anybody
blood
can do that,
clad
Erica.
shares.
Just do that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, what you say?
And I'm going to the bank right now, we take out the money. I'm going to a hotel in a jacuzzi with a bottle of champagne and some
What
rose
you mean
petal
go on
and
bad?
guam
Just make
pad.
the champagne
What do you
back in
think?
your pussy. Yeah, that's go on bad.
Did I come in?
you know, Barry come in, cause Barry mad now, cause she go use rose pedal and
Erica,
champagne
yeah,
and
the sky part. The part
See,
of
it's a
sky, you
crowd of
know.
people,
listen.
crowd of
So Barry,
blood
I come
clad
tired out.
people. Read.
She like when Barry talk about the birthday.
You what you say? You what she blood clad? You say Erica the little wicked. You what she say? Hmm?
The queers.
Hmm? On the blood clad seat. Turn on the blood clad.
See my show.
Say drunk with my text by
See my show where Erica said.
blood clad.
See my show there, the money where she said she go pay him.
What
So I can't see what they comment. Me love when the people blood clad
receipt.
over it. Yeah. They get done to it.
Receipt that come up.
Those are recording, just listen.
Receipt, mama.
It was a Friday, just like to the Friday, yeah.
True.
Yeah? The show start.
I must get that.
Look like Dr. Mary come out. Swinging.
With all of them time, the Tanya, you know, some I beg Barry not to cuss her, though.
Yep.
Me never even want you and her
Even
cuss down.
me.
Me
I
beg
tell him
you.
say no look
I
good.
tell us me I not chat to you. Me say gang say if you take it to social media, Erica, me nah do it because you make me know her.
She want me a dance to war, no, that she a wait
Everyone
for.
with a red blood clot mood, they
Yeah,
like
Ben.
to never have one.
Yeah, the very sure receipt.
It's done. On the blood clad seat. Sasha. On her feet.
There's so much people
And
see
listen,
it.
On her feet. Hmm? Peep over blood clot, it my love. If you don't can't see it. So on her feet, people may not tell a lie.
She pay. She
Me not know
pay.
state if I know
So why
blood
she
clot
come
do
and
it.
cuss Berry?
Yeah,
She
the girl
she
never
never
start.
talk.
Okay, state it, post up my picture anywhere below. And talk things for me, love. She have all right
So she come out to
to
act
do
for
it.
you. Oh, she come out
You
to act for
understand?
you.
Because Erica was the one for me to go and cuss the girl. You understand? But I don't know the girl from nowhere.
Me no know, I
Erica
know.
was one make me go cuss the girl.
I know what Erica want with me.
Erica go
I
tell me
don't
now.
fucking know.
Hmm?
But the obsession over
Erica,
me
go
and
tell me now on the live.
Erica, me never want a friend from
I
you.
said,
Me run
Erica,
your way.
no,
Me
she did not.
run
The
your
reason
way.
why I lie on myself and say no, she did not pay me is because, and she would never cause this is because me see the world don't pan him. I become me see the world don't pan him. Why? Me talk and I say no, Erica did me. I'll tell Dan I bother me. Me
Yeah.
tell Dan it bothers me.
Yes, you
It
did.
bothers me to know that I tell a lie. I shouldn't tell no blood clot lie.
I
And
think
see the
about
blood
them
clot
time
tanks
them
there.
did good.
See the blood clot tanks there.
Them time, them
Dirty, nasty,
them
scare
time,
man,
them
blood
they
clot,
like
rat,
him.
pussy
Me they go for
Erica.
like
The
him.
blood clot tanks there go talk about
People,
you.
you know,
Remember
somebody really
say,
like
Tanya,
Berry.
We
she
mother.
tell us that the
Yeah.
Erica,
I mean, I like Berry.
put out your dirty blood
thing
clot. Them know say you're wicked. Come and show them blood clot, call them. And make sure say me call the blood clot, y'all them. And they don't forget really for them blood clot page, cause your blood clot, mine's a nasty Erica. Dirty Erica make it from the time you talk on blood clot phone. And you raise your blood clot voice at the big woman. And from this I'm a 9 and 10 your blood clot.
Tanya, you know when I talk, when she said me go listen to Kingston, I'm going to listen to Kingston and come back and to raise our voice.
Dirty, the nasty blood clot, Erica, you're not loyal to nobody who stick out for blood clot you. You're not loyal to nobody who stick out for you. And you make blood clot down and blood clot puts in an argument because are you down when they blood clot back? Are you down when they back dirty foot blood clot, Erica? Nasty old blood clot, ginger fly, big pussy blood clot, Erica. Are you down when they blood clot back drunk from? Now no old blood clot, Erica, come talk to me. Now no old blood clot, Erica, how it go? Dirty Erica, how it blood clot go? Dirty Erica, how it blood clot go? Come talk to me nice, come talk to me. See, Erica, you couldn't talk to me. Erica, you come talk about paper. Erica, get the paper out of your blood clot mouth. Erica, me know me is a blood clot because me beg to me in that blood clot need. But me not in that need no nasty old Erica. Erica, you always be the one to come in my blood clot DM and come tell me blood clots. Me rub this fear and rub that fear. Me blood clot give you a price and say, bitch, me now rub for free a blood clot. And you have to pay me. And Erica, if you pay me in a blood clot, me take your money and me rub out your dirty blood clot. Erica, me never like you.
You yourself, Nadia.
You know blood clot. All the time me they cause pussy the Erica, me they play a hypocrite with blood clot. You come and now like your periodly. Erica, me eat you know blood clot. Me eat blood clot, yo. When everybody have blood clots, so then when everybody have to big fiance.
All right.
We don't have to go about cuss you and so
Right.
closed door. Me was the only blood clot one regular like a blood clot Freddy figure bring down your blood clot.
Them time them did good.
Them time
Talk
Berry
to
I talk
Friday,
about all the
Nadia.
birthday to
Them time
blood
the
A
better
clot
big
was sad.
mango.
time,
Y'all come out for me.
Because she can't
Them
come
time
back.
the
Me
better
was
was
the
good.
only blood clot. Somebody we're ready for bring you down. Erica, me not like you periodly. And all of my blood clot people who follow my page from way back when. From the time me and blood clot, my friend dirty nasty blood clot. The dirty Batman did blood clot catch up. You join the Batman work on talk about ambition. Erica, you know blood clot ambition. Cause you should be ashamed of yourself. Erica, we come from blood clot international platform come talk say. Blood clot man bend over and a blood clot appear shit you see in blood clot. The pants and I see a blood clot. Erica, move your nasty blood clot and clot batty and shut to your mouth because your mouth stink like a batty one dirty orange blood clot slime bag. Big pussy rotten dog ugly bad looking blood clot Erica. Erica, you do your body two blood clot time till them quiet you. Erica, you come like a tough blood clot hurt.
Them time the bear was real talking the truth. Stop it, Tanya. Listen to this.
Yeah.
Erica, put it past.
I know. Me not see him come up.
I Tanya say a lie, me I tell him. It's a chin or the funny light. If me wrong, say down, you shouldn't do it. Listen. All the time, Barry, Mr. Chin, this me hear Barry say, him a go kill himself. You understand? Because Joan Master tell me say, I go come with a story there. You understand? Erica tell me say, I go come with a story there. You understand? And somebody else again, they tell me say, oh, Fred them tell me say, Barry like come and say that to those three people. Listen up, stick up in, mark me ready. If I'm wrong, when I say down, you shouldn't say so. Cause me can't give, you know, me can't take beating, you know, cause when me ready, me give blood clot beating, you know. At the time, Barry wasn't
No,
really
let them go
referring
and
to me.
report. Don't I don't see nothing in that Twitch.
Listen, at that time, Barry wasn't talking me. I
You.
him I go kill himself. Tanya said, listen, Chin, me asleep. Me no want to go through that with you. So the group go. Erica, it's gone.
Yeah.
So she keep repeating. Let me say, Chin, listen to me. Me not have no money for give Barry. Make Barry go kill himself. Same time, Tanya said to her, I said, why? My husband not work now, no Raleigh not work now. You understand because them that don't film job now. And the pity them, you understand, I look at money when me I get. Now I tell Barry, say, Barry, this month here, which is April. April in ban, right?
No, March.
March. Me I go give him the last money in March, yeah. I mean, I have no more money for give him because things that my house get tight up. Just say, all right. That's the Thursday. The Friday now, me hear Barry come out. On a move on a dirty blood clot, on a all no pussy clot. Where? They understand? Me don't want a blood clot friend from on that time through my money come through electronic. Me already send him $130 in the Friday they already. And same time now, Tanya says she see Barry write up some things pan in page and she don't like it. She go talk to him pertaining to it. To me, upon my job, me can't catch a wine now. You understand? The next morning now, Tanya talk to him and him say, Tanya, me I go boast it up in a blood clot. So Tanya say, open the Dan, you have a cuss, you have a cuss Auntie Dan, me I go cuss you, Barry. Him say, Tanya, no care rub him no say no Dan, you know. Tanya, no care rub me a blood clot, and me fuck in a body hole, and shit come out of my body hole. And if you want to take up for Dan, you can take up for Dan, rub out the two on a blood clot. I'm just jump up. I jump up, I say, Barry, upon him live, me then I say, Barry, what go on with me and you? I will tell you, say, you made it talk. I say, Barry, I just want to know if anything I go on with me and you, cat, anything I go on with me and you make an answer. Same time, Miss Scarlett come in and Miss Scarlett say, no, none of that. Anything going on with you guys, we don't got to go in the inbox and discuss it. And him said to Miss Scarlett, me not in going on the inbox with no wicked paper. Because when me not have money, I want money. And him start go off from there. So then, I guess a Barry start get corrupted because of you, Chin. Chin, you shouldn't do that. May I live in New York. Anything me I chat about Barry, or even Tanya, in which me I never chat Tanya.
She, but where the auntie Dan? She always a come and tell the people that you know that she complain to Dan to and say, Dan not for trust me because me pick up for Barry Dan for make she Chin and Dan hot left me and Barry because me have Barry back and you are now living in New York. My right time wrong, auntie?
Yes, that's what she said.
Because I don't want chat Barry. When she come for chat Barry, I said, Chin, listen, right? I saw Barry steer. Don't pay Barry no mind. Because she couldn't get me for chat Barry. People, them time them like Barry, you know. Me and Barry talk about. Me and Barry talk every day. I want to talk about baga. Yeah.
So,
Me and Barry talk about other stuff. You understand? The live I end on I cut down, me I come back.